Oh, we got a racer down right after jump 2. Racer down right after jump 2. We need EMS. Should we yellow flag it?
Happy birthday to Buddy. Happy birthday to Buddy.
It's gonna be 4 points for first.
Had a muscle spasm. Oh, gee.
Yo, what's poppin'? It's Big D. I'm back in the city. I really hope you miss me. I've been gone too long. I've been smoking my bong, getting high, teaching Chong on the road, listening to songs. First day back, I got 53 months in a cell. It was hell when I fell. I got
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Jeez, John.
Santa baby,
Sorry, she's got me
a
googling.
54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
I gotta say, this racing at night in the snow is pretty fucking dope.
Two shortcuts, left and right, comes in third. And then Billy Wilson in fourth, yeah?
Oh, this is a fucking blast, man. If I'm being honest, I came out just to spectate, and you know, I wanted to see a little bit more racers, so I decided to gear up and do this myself. I used to ride a while back, so this is an actual just thrill.
What are you gonna do if you win?
Buy a couple hookers.
A couple hookers? That's That's probably what
Someone
I
say
do, too.
hookers? Oh my god. Oh fuck. Holy shit.
You know, Heat 1 was a little bit of a challenge, being that I still am learning the course. You know, I did fall behind and end up getting lapped by some of the veteran
All right, ladies and
pro
gentlemen, get
racers.
ready for Heat 3.
And during Heat 2, I, you know, felt a little more confident in my knowledge of the track and ended up completing all the laps that time. So we'll call this maybe not a victory yet, but we'll definitely call it, you know, some progress. You know, getting there.
I think after that last after the last win in that last heat, I think I'm back in second behind Maynard. I think Maynard's at like 14 or 15 points or something like that, and I think I'm sitting at like maybe 10. So I don't think I'm gonna come home with a big W tonight, but I think you know, for missing the first race, we put on a pretty good showing.
The prize pool is dependent upon how many racers.
Let's go. Seriously?
You think that we're not getting better? Well, I disagree. We look like an
Yeah, I don't think any of us was expecting that. Oh my god.
I don't remember your name, sir.
Get your ass down to 210 and fucking buy some pie.